Welcome to FORVIA For Reel. Every quarter, embark on a journey with a busy program, featuring the headlines, our company news, Zoom Zoom, a focus on our businesses, and the Stay Connected section dedicated to sustainability, tech, and people. Let's start by shedding a light on a few memorable facts from the last 3 months with our headlines. The year started well, with 4 innovation awards won at the Consumer Electronics Show in Las Vegas in early January. Our passionate teams were able to showcase our latest sustainable innovations to more than 1,300 visitors at the world's most significant trade show dedicated to technological innovation. We celebrated FORVIA's 2nd anniversary on every site around the world with FORVIA Day on the 7th of February. The perfect occasion to launch our great new project. The Heritage Project begins by creating and developing historical archives of the group's history. We've decided to better understand our past in order to better build our future. A future that we're building every day when we innovate. This brings us to the 13th of February and our 3rd annual Innovation Days in North America. This time again, we're able to showcase our strength, foster exchanges, and build customer intimacy, allowing nearly 1,000 visitors to discover our latest transformative technologies. A week later, on the 19th of February, Patrick Koller and Olivier Durand announced our 2023 financial results and outlook for 2024.
We were able to achieve our Power 25 targets. We achieved a strong, selective and profitable order intake of 31 billion euros. We are going ahead with our integration and corresponding synergies. And we have an effective focus on ESG performances, and here we will show you the concrete results we have.
Our CEO also announced the intention to launch EU Forward, a 5-year project intended to reinforce FORVIA's competitiveness and agility in Europe. At the beginning of March, the group issued a 1 billion euro bond to replace short-term debt with 5 to 7 years of debt. The operation is a proof of the trust our credit investors have in our Power 25 strategy. We're proud to say that we equipped the winning vehicle of the Geneva Motor Show 2024, the Renault Scenic, which features a wide range of our technologies. In March, FORVIA hosted the Horizon Days, including Sustainability Day, Supplier Day, Innovation Day, and Manager Day. They brought together suppliers, customers, partners, the financial community, media, students, and France-based managers for conferences, workshops, tech demos, and networking opportunities. Let's look back at the Sustainability Day. It's the Zoom Zoom.
For me, it's a wonderful day. You know, it's a day very inspiring.
Super interesting to see ambitious goals as well.
I think it was a great event, very professional.
So it's a very massive event and it's absolutely fitting with the DNA of the company.
FORVIA's 2nd Sustainability Day brought together 250 attendees on-site in Paris and over 6,000 online. It featured speakers from academia, civil society and the Volvo Group. We explained how our strategy positions us as a sustainable leader in our industry, discussed challenges ahead and our action plan.
We are concrete. We are not just talking about it, we show it here, but we showed it also with the results, with the figures, that we are walking the talk.
The event offered a great platform to engage and reflect with all our stakeholders as we openly discussed our transformation journey. François Germain, an esteemed member of the IPCC, discussed the challenges of decarbonizing the auto industry, while Volvo Group representatives shared insights into the pivotal role of low-carbon materials. Ines Leonarduzzi and Valérie Mas, French green tech entrepreneurs, outlined strategies to engage employees with the energy transition. In addition, numerous FORVIA experts delved into topics such as green finance, hydrogen mobility, the affordability dilemma of sustainable cars, and, of course, CO2 regulations. Attendees were shown how FORVIA has renewed commitments that build upon the progress made since FORVIA's first Sustainability Day in 2022. We showcased our latest innovations, tailored specifically for Scope 3, with high-tech products boasting remarkably lower carbon emissions through their entire life cycle. surpassing industry standards for sustainability. These innovations contribute to our 2030 target, a 45% reduction in Scope 3 CO2 emissions, meaning those generated upstream and downstream on FORVIA's value chain.
We want to embark all our partners, all our suppliers, employees, all our stakeholders. We will be more powerful, we will be stronger if we act together.
I believe that this industry has to reinvent its relations inside. We will not make a significant change alone.
Horizon Days were also a great occasion for all of us to learn more about the Materiact division and its role. So stay connected for our sustainable quiz to find out everything there is to know about it in a few seconds only, hopefully.
I am Pierre de Mortin, I am Marketing Manager at Materiact, the Sustainable Material Division of FORVIA. The Materiact wall is telling what Materiact is doing in an holistic approach for the materials, from feedstocks, the products, how we can achieve mechanical and aesthetical performance, the traceability, and the complete system integration to get the best out of the materials and also the recyclability in a circular economy approach. Okay, Materiact is using the emission factor, which means the number of kilos of CO2 which is emitted every time you produce 1 kilo of material. We are targeting to reduce this by 85% with biomass, which is capturing CO2, which is renewable, and with recycled materials, which are actually low CO2 by essence. Materiact used to introduce mostly biomass in the compounds, and we are now using also recycled materials. Recycled materials, whether coming from domestic waste or from end-of-life vehicles or even ocean-bound plastics, are actually low CO2 by essence because they have already had a first life. So Materiact has been deploying the naphthalene technology in 9 million vehicles in the streets, leading to more than 150,000 tons of carbon emission reduction. So FORVIA's strategy is really linked to the carbon neutrality trajectory, and Materiact is a big part of this contribution. It is actually for the decarbonation of the material, but also for the modularity and the recyclability of all the FORVIA products, and will actually feed all the group strategy. Yeah, so for all of us, it's really a great adventure to convince people to use more sustainable materials.
That's it for today. Thank you for being with us. We can't wait to see you again in a few months for a new FORVIA For Reel.